here! Today, I'm going to be making some gingerbread with help from me mum and Big Bro. Before you bake the gingerbread, you can cut it into the shape of anything. You can use cookie cutters or just use the wrong end of a teaspoon to make shapes. You can even make a gingerbread house. Amazing! I'm going to be making a gingerbread family and then decorate them with icing and sweets. My mum has already helped me weigh and sift the flour and bicarbonate of soda.
Zuzu is adding syrup and mixing it in. A little more flour to thicken it up. Now the ginger, cinnamon and brown sugar.
Yum! This smells fantastic! Can't wait to try it!
Then he'll add the butter and an egg. Then mix them all together until it turns into a stiff dough. Once it comes together as a dough, Zuzu's mother will put it in the fridge to make it easier to roll.
Look, it's coming together!
That's right, Zuzu. With a little flour on the surface and our rolling pin, we can begin. We need to roll it until it is as thick as your little finger.
Nice! I've got it to just the right thickness, not too thick and not too thin. I need to position the cutter so I can get at least 6 people cut out. Here we go.
Remember, you can roll together all the offcuts and reuse them.
Perfect! Now they need to go in the oven. That's me mum.
An adult should do this bit, just to be safe.
We'll keep an eye on them while they bake until they're golden brown.
At the end of this video, you can pause and screenshot the recipe, and it will also be listed in the description below.
Then you and an adult can have a go too, like Zuzu and I.
Don't they look amazing? Mum helped me stick on some sweets. We'd better give them a taste test. Oh my! They taste amazing! Thank you, Mum. Hey, why don't you ask an adult if you can try making some? Bye!